Hey there, welcome back to another video on this channel. So today I'm gonna show you how you can fix slow loading in Roblox. So first of all, Roblox doesn't have in-game video settings like most games, so everything you need to optimize must be done outside of Roblox. So first of all, here you can see the search bar right here. You have to open it and then you have to search for power plan. Then simply click on power plan, and from there you have to tap on to change advanced power settings. Now you have to scroll down and find processor and power management, this option right here, and click on maximum processor state, like tap onto it and then tap onto maximum processor state, and then set it to 100%. As you can see, mine is already 100%. Okay, and then click apply and OK, and then you have to tap on the keyboard control shift plus ESC, like control shift plus ESC. So here you can see this. Now turn off all the background apps from here. Just tap onto in task simply by clicking onto one by one that you does not need. For example, this one, this one, so this is just to do it. And lastly, you have to update your graphics drivers. Just go to your GPU brand. For example, if you have NVIDIA GeForce drivers, just click on official NVIDIA website from your browser, like search for NVIDIA GeForce right here, and then go there and just check it out. And if you prefer, you can use a manual search to download a specific driver for your graphics. And lastly, keep your PC clean. Overheating can slow your system down. So that's it. This is how you can solve your problem. If this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel.